Hello everyone. In our previous video, we looked into the basic components to be considered while going for VAT registration. So in this video, we're going to look a bit more what we should look into while going for VAT registration. This is Joel Bruce, Senior Consultant at Alchemist Accounting. In our previous video, we looked into the registration timelines one should follow while going for registration. So under Oman VAT, we do have registration timelines which are categorized according to our annual value of supplies. So let's just have a look at it once again. So let's take a look at the first category where the total value of annual supplies exceeds or is expected to exceed 1 million Oman Riyals. Your registration timeline would be from 1st of February 2021 to 15th of March 2021, and your effective date of registration would be 16th April 2021. The second category, where the total value of annual supplies is between 1 million Oman Riyals and 500,000 Oman Riyals. Your registration timeline would be from 1st of April 2021 to 31st May 2021, and your effective date of registration would be 1st of July 2021. The third category, where the total value of annual supplies is between 500,000 Oman Riyals and 250,000 Oman Riyals. Your registration timeline would be from 1st of July 2021 to 31st August 2021, and your effective date of registration would be 1st of October 2021. And we do have the last category where the annual value of supplies is between 250,000 Oman Riyals and 38,500 Oman Riyals. Your registration timeline would be from 1st of December 2021 to 28th February 2022, and your effective date of registration would be 1st of April 2022. So based on your total value of annual supplies, you get categorized under each registration timeline, and each timeline do have an effective date of registration. Under Oman VAT law, the mandatory threshold is 38,500 Oman Riyals. So every person who's a resident in the Sultanate of Oman, whose actual value of supplies exceeds the threshold within the last 12 months, including the current month, has to go for mandatory registration. Also, in case of expected annual supplies, that is, in the upcoming 12 months, including the current month also, if the total value of supplies exceeds 38,500, the person should go for mandatory registration under Oman VAT. Also, in case of a person who doesn't have a residence in the Sultanate of Oman, if he is obliged to pay tax, he should also go for mandatory registration. Under Oman VAT, the voluntary registration threshold is set at 19,250 Oman Riyals. So every person who's a resident in the Sultanate of Oman, whose actual value of supplies or expenses in the last 12 months, including the current month, if it exceeds 19,250, he can go for voluntary registration. Also, in case if the expected value of supplies or expenses of the upcoming 12 months, including the current month, if it exceeds 19,250, then also he can go for voluntary registration. So now let's take a look into the penalties of non-registration. Let's say you come under the mandatory registration category and yet you're not complying with the authority for VAT registration. So we do have certain penalties for that. The first penalty would be an imprisonment penalty of not less than 1 year, but not more than 3 years. Second, we do have a fine of not less than 5,000 Oman Riyals, but not greater than 20,000 Oman Riyals also. Either one of these penalties will be imposed to anyone who deliberately doesn't go for VAT registration with the authority. And as discussed in the previous videos, all registration applications must be submitted to the electronic portal stated by the Tax Authority of Oman. And the effective date of registration is the date on which the registration becomes effective. And from this day onwards, the registered person must comply with the tax laws, such as issuing tax invoices, keeping accounting records, and disclosing the tax declarations, and other tax obligations stated by the Oman VAT law. So these are some of the basic components which we have to look into while going for VAT registration. So do subscribe and stay tuned as I'll be uploading more videos on Oman VAT law. Thank you.